welcome back to Totally Flip. Today I've purchased a plastic welder, good for bumpers and stuff like that, and basically you get these little pins that go in the end of your gun, which is there, and then you can weld cracks in your bumper. But I've got this bin, I'm going to test it out on there. It's got a big crack down it, and we're going to weld all this up hopefully with this gun here. So I've chose F on there, which is like a squirrely thing, and what we're going to do is line this up here and use the welder and see if it actually does work, see how good it is. Okay, so I've managed to weld it. A lot of it I've just dabbed the actual clip, these things, and the glues of the plastics melted over the crack. It's pretty solid. You just clip these clips off once you've welded those in, and then obviously you can sand it all down, but it does work. You can obviously fill it afterwards and sand it down. But for a bin, I just wanted to seal it because it was breaking. But yeah, it's done the job. Obviously, you can still see the crack, but it works. So yeah, I'll give that a 10 out of 10 for that. It does work. You get plenty of clips. Obviously, it says to you there what you have to do, but if you join in 2 corners up and such like, but it's pretty good. This was about 25 quid on eBay, so if you need to weld up a bumper, it's probably a good thing to use. Saves you a lot of money. And if I'd have had this when I had my Range Rover bumper, the Overfinch, it would have probably made it a lot easier to sort out. But there you go, they are worth having, so go and purchase yours today.